I'm going to show the progress that we have made in Kiraz ERP till 15th of November. Logging in as admin. We have started working on the sales part, that is the rental of the tanks, and so you can see some new menus in the sales part. So it is in English right now. We plan to do a fully Turkish translation later. And now we can see three new menus here. So first we start with the rental orders. You can see a list of rental orders, and there are also possibility to group by customers or by status or by order rate or the salesman. Let me try to create a new rental order. Selecting the customer, and this is the current date, and then for just writing the approximate start date for the rental. It asks for the end date. And then if there is any customer reference, we can also have multiple price list. So by default we have put the Turkish lira price list, but suppose if you want to give a dollar price to this customer, we can select here public price list and USD price list. And then now we need to add the items. Okay, now we are giving an offer for tank. It's a tank 4. Its description and from date and to date comes from the earlier date settings, and the duration is also automatically taken, and we can also change here the dates so that the duration will also be changed, and the unit of measure, and let us put the price as $6. And then now it asks for the product to be stored from the customer. So India, of course it has a HS code, then it is in liters. I'm just saying 2000 liters, and the movement is internal, means inside Turkey, or transit means it is to go outside. So I just put internal, and then it also asks for approximate duration of the days that they require for the storage. Let it be 150, and if there is any tax involved, save and close. So I can update the prices. So this is the quotation. I can take a print. So this is the template right now. It's a default template. Like it says about the tank details and the product to be stored, product details, the quantities, the rental period that they are looking at, and then the movement is internal and storage duration is 150. Taxes, other details, and then we sent this to the customer. So it says the state quotation sent, and suppose if we confirm this, so if we go to the list of rental orders, we can see there is a quotation sent. We can go in here. Okay, now we can see the rental has been confirmed. Now as soon as the rental has been confirmed, now this will create an automatic entry for the vessels incoming, and you can see that the vessels incoming button here, the link to vessels incoming, and this is basically welcoming of the vessels. So now we can, suppose we get the information about the vessels, so we have to enter some details. Confirm, we enter the vessel name, we have to put the vessel depth, and the expected time of arrival of the vessel. Let's put 21st of November, and the item to be stored comes from the rental order by default. And now we can confirm this vessel. So now we are getting into the vessel's incoming process one by one. So when I confirm, okay, now it is actually in the free zone processing. So confirm means it goes to the free zone processing. So we have to do all the free zone processing activities and these documents. And now suppose if the free zone processing is over, we can click here free zone processed, and so it will ask for some data because we need to ensure that these data go inside the system. Supplier invoice date, free zone register number, file numbers if any, free zone register date, a document approval date. We can add if now it also asks for if the documents were scanned. So I mean I need to scan this before, but now I'm just saying it is scanned. And if there are any comments, I can write here and I say okay. Now it is the state has moved to birthing. I mean it is in the birthing process, and we see that all the data that we entered for the document and relation data is here. We can change it at this any point, and then there is a history tab wherein we says okay, and draft to in progress and draft to free zone processing. So free zone processing was done by this particular user at this particular date. And suppose if the we also suppose it is next step is the birthing. So now if we say the birthing is done, now we have to write more data here. Pipe installation date, pipeline responsible, the user who was responsible, storage product analysis document number, analysis date, if there is any reanalysis in all that date, if the product analysis is approved, analysis report is again scanned, any comments here. And now we have to select the loading master, who was the loading master, and the birthing team. So one, two, this person, this person. Okay, suppose if all them are the main birthing, click OK. And so now it also the data related to the birthing is here, and now it says the vessel is ready. So vessel is in the ready process. Now if you want to click on ready to unload, so then there are some letter of readiness number. This is the letter from the ship. Date, safety document number, last 3 cargo info, some data here, density table, vessel connection, if there is any instruction for unloading, sample taken, yes, the documents are scanned, okay. So now it is go to the unloading phase, and then we also see the readiness details here. If we go, so we can go here and see each state in progress. So if I group by so state, you can see how many are in birthing, how many are in free zone processing, how many are in unloading, and how many are vessel ready. So now I got this here. Okay, unloading, and I have to click completed, and then timesheet attached. This can be later taken in the system itself. Pre-measurement taken, yes. was disconnected. Yes. Pipeline client. Yes. Plan uninstall. Yes. Any issues of loading? No. And now we have to write the settled quantity here. Okay, so let us. This will actually go to the next stage, and we are done so far till this much. And then there are this unloading details, and it will go to the next tab for the management of tanks. This is what is done. Now if you want to do an analysis on the rental orders, you can go in here and see all the tanks and the customers. You can see customer wise the analysis, and we also have a list of all other informations, and this can be added as we go along. So this is just the version for this week, and we are also adding the translations. And next points that we are going to work on is the tanks management, like when the vessel incoming process completed, it is loaded to the tanks, and how it is unloaded from tanks to the trucks. Thank you.